1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. She started to count them.
Did she?
Oh, no.
Good job. You knocked them all over. Mommy's videoing. Okay, go back and play with Grandma.
Come on.
Go, she's setting them up again.
Yeah. We're going to count them again. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. No, you don't have to sit, sweetheart. Come over here and knock them down. Here, this way. Okay. Whoops. Okay, now do it. Okay. You can get up. 1, 2, 3. Boom!
Yay!
Yay! Give me 5. Thank you. Knuckles? Okay. Hold the pants a little bit here. You don't want to show the camera you bottom, do it. There. How's that?
I know.
Oh, yeah, she's in this little bed right here.
Oh.
Whoopsie, Grandma dropped her out. There. Is that better?
You gotta see what's going on the camera.
Hi, Oakley.
Did you see Grandma in there? Okay.